see what we get here. I don't usually play this machine, but let's see what we get. Playing $10 a spin. I put $200 in, down to $179. Here we go. Got 3 free spins. Oh, that was very good. Come on, we need a minor or a major. Minor or major would be very nice. Okay, come on. Come on. Minor or major? Minor or major? Come on. Give me something. Ooh, down to the last spin. Come on. Let's fill that board. Come on. Well, we got a few dollars here. Hey, I think I got a Handpay.
I didn't realize that I had a $500 chip in there.
Did I get a Handpay? Is that a Handpay? Hey, what did you get there, bud? We got 3 names on it. All right, so we're gonna have to wait till we get paid.
I was kidding with my friend who was not having a good day. We sat down together and he could not catch anything. Follow for part 2 to this.
All right, we're gonna come back because we're gonna get a nice Handpay from this of $1,260. Thank you. Lightning cash.
Click on my link in bio and follow me for more there also. Here is part 2. While I was waiting.
Alright, let's try this. Just say the Handpay here. So while I'm waiting to get paid, I figure we'll try this machine. Let's try it. Let's go. Here we go. Come on.
20 minutes.
Come on, we need to fill this up. Come on. Come on. We need more than that. There we go. That's how we fill it up. Come on, I got 10 last time. Let's try for 12 this time. Come on, 2 more. Come on, don't die out now. Come on, we need 2 more. Come on, come on. You can do it. Yeah. All right. I don't know what we got here. $835. Not bad. Not bad. Thank you. That's a consolation prize when you just have to wait for your other Handpay. Thank you. Okay, it just hit it again. Let's do this. Come on. Come on. Come on. There you go. Ooh, close to that $51,000. Come on. Need 3 more. Just give me 3 more. That last spin. Okay, well, we got 12. What do we get this time? Not bad. $441.
Not bad,
$1,275.
$1,275.
The other one was $800 something, and we're still waiting to get Handpay.
Total $2,535. Not a bad 10 minutes.
Thank you, Lightning Cash.